First of all, take a look at this clip.
Manchester United were losing the Champions League final. And 102 seconds later, football history was broken. 90 minutes. Manchester United are losing 1-0.
Pretty crazy, right? Now here's the interesting part. Channels creating football documentaries like this are getting millions of views right now because viewers aren't watching highlights. They're not watching transfer news. They're watching stories. The stories behind football's greatest moments. The stories behind legendary players. The stories behind matches that changed history forever. And the best part? Creating these documentaries is much easier than most people think. Let me show you the exact workflow. Step 1. Find a viral football topic. Everything starts with the topic. You want topics that instantly create curiosity. Topics that make football fans stop scrolling. For example, the match that changed football forever. Why Messi almost never played for Barcelona. The secret behind Zidane's final match. To find ideas, simply open ChatGPT and type "Generate viral football documentary topics about legendary players, alternate histories, hidden stories, mysteries, forgotten events, and shocking what-if scenarios." Every idea should create strong curiosity and feel impossible to ignore. Within seconds, you'll get dozens of viral ideas. For this example, I'm going to choose Manchester United's greatest comeback, because it's instantly recognizable, and football fans immediately want to know the answer. Step 2. Generate the entire documentary. Now comes the easiest part. Most people think they need to write the script, plan the story, create the documentary structure, and figure out how to keep viewers watching. But we're going to automate all of it. I use a custom football documentary prompt. Inside the prompt, I only enter the topic, and that's it. After that, ChatGPT generates everything automatically. It creates the hook, the complete documentary script, the storytelling structure, the reveals, and the ending. Basically, ChatGPT becomes your football documentary writer. Instead of spending hours writing a script from scratch, you get a complete documentary ready in minutes. And here's a bonus. Once the documentary is finished, you can use my shorts prompt. Simply paste the long documentary script into ChatGPT. The AI automatically extracts the most viral moments, the biggest twists, the strongest emotions, and the most shocking reveals. Step 3. Generate the voiceover. Now we need the narration, because great football documentaries aren't just about visuals, they're about storytelling, and the voice plays a huge role in that. For voiceovers, I use ElevenLabs. Simply copy the documentary script generated by ChatGPT, paste it into ElevenLabs, choose a voice that fits the documentary style. I personally recommend a deep cinematic voice, because it makes the story feel more dramatic and professional. Then click Generate. Within a few minutes, you'll have a complete documentary narration ready to use. The AI handles everything for you. Now that we have both the script and the voiceover, it's time to create the visuals. Step 4. Generate the visual storyboard. Now we need visuals. Take the finished documentary script and paste it into the visual prompt. The AI automatically breaks the documentary into scenes. For every scene, it generates visual descriptions, camera movements, mood, and cinematic directions. Instead of planning dozens of shots manually, everything is already done for you. Now it's time to bring the documentary to life. Take the visual storyboard generated by ChatGPT. For each scene, you'll receive a detailed video prompt. Simply copy the video prompt from scene 1, then open Google Flow. Create a new video, use the video model of your choice, paste the generated video prompt, and click Generate. Within a few moments, you'll have a cinematic football scene ready to use. Whether it's a dramatic locker room moment, a legendary match recreation, a trophy celebration, just repeat the process for every scene in the storyboard. Instead of random AI clips, you get a complete football documentary. Step 5. Build the final documentary. Now it's time to put everything together. Import all of your generated scenes into your editor, then add the voiceover. As soon as you place the narration on the timeline, the entire story starts to come to life. The dramatic moments, the emotional reveals, the legendary football scenes. Everything begins to feel like a real documentary. Next, add subtitles to improve viewer retention, then add background music that matches the mood of the story. Finally, arrange all the scenes in the correct order and export the video. And that's it. You've just created a complete football documentary using AI. Final result.
Manchester United were losing the Champions League final. And 102 seconds later, football history was broken. 90 minutes. Manchester United are losing 1-0. Fans are leaving. The Bayern bench is already...
From a single topic, you've created a complete football documentary. The script, the narration, the visuals, and the final video. Now take a look at this documentary created using this exact workflow. Pretty crazy, right? And the best part? Football never runs out of stories, which means you'll never run out of content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.